Smile. Smile, Gidan.
के पास बैठो।
Priyansh.
Kids are all set to set the stage on fire with their amazing personalities. For this, I would like to call Shalini Upadhyay ma'am to please take the seat for the judgment. The principal of Kinchin Kids. I would request Shalini Upadhyay ma'am to please come over and take the judgment seat. Please put a big round of applause for Mrs. Shalini Upadhyay ma'am, the principal of Kinchin Kids School. And let me tell you, the first round is the kids who are performing from Kinchin Kids School. Alright, there would be 24 participants here. They would be walking. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, these tiny little kids are going to perform their personality and their attitude on stage here. And
Yes.
all good, all set? Ready? Ready to set the stage on fire? Walk with confidence, style and attitude. में इतनी कंजूसी करोगे तो जो बच्चे रैंप पे आएंगे तब क्या करोगे? आई वंडर, क्योंकि जब बच्चे तालियां देखेंगे कि हमारे पेरेंट्स हमारे लिए क्लैप कर रहे हैं, देन ओनली दे वुड बी मोटिवेटेड टू बी हियर, राइट? Abhisha Jain is here on the ramp. Wow, what a style! Attitude, huh? Batch number 2, Kaviksha Singh. Batch number 3, Lavanya Upadhyay. Wow! A little cutie munchkin is here on the stage. super. What a beauty. Come, come, come. Badge number 12, Chanchal Katara. Look at the confidence here.
Stand again. Stand again on the music.
This one. All right, I would smile. Look at the cuties, how they're giving so many kisses to their parents, right? All right, badge number 12, Chanchal Katara. Badge number 12, Chanchal Katara. Please note this is badge number 12 again walking on the ramp. Badge number 13, Ian Chen. Badge number 13, Ian Chen is walking along with Mama. Come on, wave your hand and say hi, everybody. So many kisses from the principal ma'am and the coordinator. So bada hoke, he will definitely make you dance like this. All right. So batch number 14, Amok Mishra. Again a beachy look here. Put on the goggles, Amok. Put on the goggles, Amok. Players pehno beta. Amok, players pehno beta. Very, very. बेटा ऐसी ना बनो एक बार. Still he is confident, huh? Badge number 15, Manthan Malik. See, a proper ramp walk here. So despite being a girl or a boy, the ramp must go on fire. Badge number 16, Ridhan. A designer look, which you all can copy. Badge number 17, Shivanshi Nenava. Wow, what a beauty she is. Come back. Badge number 18, Mihir. A cutie pie is here. thanks all the 24 participants here. And now, number 2 is ready. Davikshan. Batch number 2 is gonna walk with the teacher is here. Teachers, please note. Batch number 17, 18, 19, 20. Please make them ready. Alright, judges, please note. This is batch number 17 walking on the ramp. Batch number 18 on the ramp. Batch number 19. Batch number 20. Batch number 21 is here. Batch number 22, please walk. Batch number 22 is here on the ramp. Okay, batch number 23 and 24 are walking together. A beautiful family on the ramp. Wait. Please go back.
I think they want to say something.
Okay. The mic and the stage, both are yours. Thank you so much. With this, we come to the end of round 2. So requesting everybody please come forward and just make sure that you do not touch the LED because it's light. So it's better that you please be on the stage for a group photograph. Please come forward everybody, all the 24 participants along with their kids and the parents. So maybe kids you can sit. जो आगे खड़े वो बैठ जाओ. On your knees. On your knees. थोड़ा सा ध्यान से.
मदर्स लोग थोड़ा ध्यान से, आप स्टेज के बिल्कुल कॉर्नर पे हो, है ना?
Mothers and teachers, हाँ. Please be careful, हाँ. Smile everybody. Come on. A cutest smile. Pose. Come on. Give your poses.
यहाँ पे मदर तो सारी आगे आ गई है पिक्चर में, पीछे फादर भी वेट कर रहे हैं कि हमको ही पिक्चर में आना
हम
है,
उनको शफल
तो थोड़ा
करेंगे।
स्पेस इनके लिए भी क्रिएट कर लो यार।
डेफिनेटली हम लोग मदर्स को अब शफल करेंगे, मदर्स को पीछे भेज के फादर्स को आगे लाएंगे। कम फॉरवर्ड। Good to go.
मिस्टर आत्मा
Excited हो जानने के लिए कि who's the winner? Yes? All right. So our kids are very excited to know actually who's the winner here for round 1. Yes, track please. Mrs. Shalini Upadhyay ma'am is here to set the stage on fire. Mrs. Krishna Paniri ma'am is here.
Hey ma'am. Good one.
Mrs. Preeti Kumawat ma'am. Jyoti ma'am. Mrs. Neeta Vyas. Mrs. Neetu Suthar. So all right, a huge round of applause for all the beautiful ladies on stage. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, teachers. And now is the time we all have been waiting for. So Kinchin Kids is a first child daycare of Udaipur since 2001. This place gives a full support to working parents whose kids are from 6 months to 12 years. Shalini Upadhyay is a coordinator and academician at Kinchin Kids, achieved several glory for school like Rajasthan Shri Women Empowerment Award, and school name is registered in Hindustan Book of Records, and now oncoming Rajasthan Divas on 30th March. School will get Rajasthan Samrat Gaurav Award in Jaipur. राज्यों के राष्ट्रध्वजों के सानिध्य में प्राप्त होगा. She is executive member in Viksham Amritam Group.
आपकी हेल्प चाहिए होगी, हमें नाम कंफर्म करने में बताइए प्लीज़, आपके पास लिस्ट है। सो वी आर गोइंग विद द थर्ड प्राइज। एनी गेसेस फ्रॉम द पेरेंट्स? हर पेरेंट तो अपने बच्चे के नाम लेगा, राइट? वो बोलते हैं ना, किसी ने पूछा आपका सबसे डू यू नो द बेस्ट स्कूल ऑफ द इंडिया? सो एवरीवन आंसर्ड क्या? माय स्कूल। अपना स्कूल, सो दैट्स व्हाई माय बच्चा इज बेस्ट. सो थर्ड प्राइज एक बार अनाउंस करते हैं. राजेश जी प्लीज.
Okay, so third prize goes to Yashasvi Chaudhary. Page number 8, Yashasvi Chaudhary.
Please come on the stage. We request parents to please come on the stage as well. Hello. Just एक announcement निकट कर लेते हैं.
जिसकी वजह से अन्य वाहन बाहर निकलना सुविधा हो रही है. कृपया जनता आराम से स्थान पर काम करें. धन्यवाद. I repeat, RJ063CB4806.
So यशस्वी, क्या नाम है आपका? यशस्वी तो है. Sorry, come again.
Hello, hello.
So I'm a translator. So she is saying my name is Yashasvi Chaudhary, right? आपको ट्रेन किसने किया इस रैंप वॉक के लिए? टीचर ने, मैम ने, मदर ने, मम्मा ने, पापा ने? जल्दी है भैया, बहुत तैयार हुए हम, कोई नहीं हमारे पीछे, राइट? सो यशस्वी थर्ड अवार्ड. लेट्स कॉल द सेकंड रनर अप, फर्स्ट रनर अप एज वेल. आई थिंक सारे बच्चे हमारे पीछे बैठे हैं, उनको बोलते हैं एक बार आगे आ जाओ, खड़े होके सारे सारे आगे आ जाओ, हमारे विनर टीम से निकल आएंगे.
Okay. Second prize goes to Lavanya Upadhyay.
लवण्य उपाध्याय.
Lavanya. Match number 3. She's supermodel.
हाय लवण्य, आपको किसने रेडी किया था फैशन वॉक के लिए? मामा ने. ये जो मामा मामा का है. अच्छा मामा यही है. ओ तो मामा तो टीचर दोनों ही हैं. वेरी गुड. सो लेट्स गो विद द फर्स्ट प्राइज एज वेल. सो गाइस, एनी गेसेस फॉर द फर्स्ट प्राइज? कोई नाम तो आना चाहिए आपकी तरफ से भी.
So first prize goes to, it's not only one person, यहाँ पे दो लोग हैं जिन्हें फर्स्ट प्राइज मिला है. One is Janish Sharma and Mehul Sharma. Batch number 23 and 24.
Here are the winners. A big round of applause, guys. तो जिन बच्चों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया है सबके लिए यहाँ पर कुछ ना कुछ है हमारे पास. सो एवरी पार्टिसिपेटिंग किड is getting a buy one get one complimentary ticket from Urban Sphere Mall. So every kid who has participated, they will collect their participation certificates and their PVR ticket. So this PVR ticket is valid from 18th of March to 31st of March.